Hi again, Attorney Steve Vonderen. Welcome back. Happy Valentine's Day. We are doing not a legal video today, but I just wanted to take some time out and share an email that was sent to me by one of our viewers. And I also want to thank you all for supporting us over the last 5-10 years and helping us build our channel up to over 5,500 subscribers, and that's a really big deal. So as most of you know who watch us, we try to make law more understandable, more accessible to the average person. And I want to share a letter that was sent to me by one of our viewers. And again, this is why we do this, okay? It says, Attorney Steve, you are my hero. You have inspired me to become a litigation warrior. I first started my defamation of character case that I had filed in July of 2017. I didn't think I could do it until I watched all of your videos over and over again and have read your website, and you have become my litigation mentor. I completed my case today with a summary judgment that I filed on the 18th of January 2018. I have filed everything from a complaint to a default judgment to motion for interrogatories and other paperwork, discovery, motions of indigency, depositions, all the way till summary judgment, until my defamation of character case was filed in Stark County, Ohio, in the Canton Municipal Court Division. I was really so nervous on doing something like this on my own, but you have given me confidence that I needed to stand up for myself. I am a fireman and a paramedic in the County Township Fire Department, and I am also a police officer for the Village Shalville Police Department. I make under $13 an hour at both jobs, and I'm working full-time. I have 4 kids and a wife, and we struggle with our finances. But we are fighters, and we stand up for what is right. Without the Litigation Warrior series, we would never have been able to have my case heard, because I would not have been able to afford an attorney. Or I would have just lived with the harassment from the defendant with no relief whatsoever. I had a little bit of litigation knowledge going into it, and I studied the civil rules of procedure and rules of evidence and case law, but you were really able to break things down for me to understand. After this case and watching your videos for a year, it has inspired me to attend law school and to help those who cannot help themselves. That's why I became an officer and a fireman in the first place, is to protect those who cannot protect themselves. You are the man, Steve. So that email came from a gentleman named Nick, and I want to thank him for his email. I congratulate him on his success, and that's an example of helping somebody, even if it's one person, find some sense of justice in the world. When I grew up, there was a lot of people that said, I want to do grand things. I want to make giant change. I want to change the entire world. Well, I always had a different philosophy. I always said, if I can help one person do something, that's meaningful to me. That's meaningful to me. And you know what? This letter validates everything that I'm trying to do to make law understandable and accessible. And that's why we do this. That's why we do this. So thank you, Nick. I appreciate your letter. Congratulations on your success. Thank you all for watching our video and sharing our videos on your social media networks. It really helps us out. And the likes and the comments and everything that you guys have done means a lot to us. So even though we're only at 5,500, we're looking to build our channel, and we know we can do it with people like you that are behind us. Okay? So thank you again. Happy Valentine's Day. Go out and have fun and share peace and love with your loved one. And as a little side note, if you want to keep watching the video, I'm putting out a little link where I'm trying to start on change.org. I want to create a National Day of Love and Peace. So if you can fill out the petition, it's all there on the petition, but I'll put that down in the link below. Okay? Happy Valentine's Day, Attorney Steve. Thank you so much for your guys' support. Have a great day.